Alright, cabin filter time. Squeeze that, pop this off, right? And push these, right? Both hands is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need both hands for this because you squeeze, and then the whole thing just lifts out. So obviously these back bits sit in here, and right here is where we got the cabin filter. That pops off. Two little tabs at the bottom, so that's the bottom bit, right? This tab here, that's what you're looking out for. Sits in these holes here, 1 and 2, and then obviously that's got directions on it, so you pull it out, right, like this. Oh my days. Right, so this is what we've been breathing. I'll take that outside. Yeah, that side's not too bad, but this side, I mean, if we open, yeah, that's what we're breathing, people. Change your cabin filters. That is shocking. I mean, that alone will give you hay fever, so yeah, right, time for a new one. So we'll do this to this one, right? I can go away. I will pick that up, by the way, and dispose of it properly, but for now I don't want it nowhere near my car. Right, I got me one of these Crossland filters. This is gonna be fun with one hand. Well, top tip, wash your hands after your oil change. But hey, I'm just at the point where I've done a full service today, and this is the last bit I'm doing. Come on, get off. Alright, so in comparison, well, this is convenient, isn't it? It's not even marked which side's which. But it's a lot cleaner. Right, let's compare it to our old one. So this side up. Let's see what the other side says. Nothing at all. That is pretty much the same thing. You know, I'm gonna go with this Crossland stamp. This side looks a bit different. Where's this discoloration? Right. Okay, got you. So they're like little grooves in here. Right. That is thicker. This is thinner. Oh, that's deeper. That's not as deep. So let's see. It's not as deep. You know what? This might even not actually matter unless we go off these sides. So yeah, that's probably the best thing you can do. So if you look at this bit here, alright, this would be wrong, right? So yeah, that's it. So you want to make sure this bit is pointing up, which ours is pointing up exactly the same, and then you slide that in just like that. I'm sorry about the thumb on the camera. I'm doing this one hand, right? Just a quick one. that's in. Let's see if we can carry on the one-hand business. Yep, there you go, cabin filter changed. So remember, these bits up, or just do what everyone else does and go and get one from Toyota. You're probably gonna have a nice little stamp here telling you which way to put it up and not have to figure it out. But hey, we got there in the end. Right, Estima head out as usual. Like and subscribe please.